Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this looks like three waves up, W, three waves down, X, most likely going to lead to 1, 2, 3 waves up for what I believe to be an ABC of wave Y, which I think will go up and potentially take out these highs, most likely ending up looking something like that. So let's take it down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it still looks to me like this is an uptrend, like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This right here you could label a few different ways. I have it as an ABCDE, but it may actually be more appropriate to call it a WXY, three waves down, three waves up, and three waves down. Either way, we do have a Fibonacci bounce. I would like to see it break this structure to really confirm that we have the end of a wave B, but it does kind of look to me like we possibly do have the end of a wave B, and we may be in the very, very early stages of a wave C of wave Y, like I was explaining on that monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that we definitely have some very clear breaks of structure right here. It is really the first breaks of structure we've had in months on this way down. So to me, that does seem very, very significant. I think this move down just may end up making like a top becomes a bottom, and it may end up doing something like this and continuing the uptrend, proving that this really is the end of a wave B. So let's keep going down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think it would probably be more appropriate to have our Fibonacci measure the whole move up. But either way, I do think this move down is not complete. I think there's a good chance it may go down even more. Like I said, I bet it's going to go down to the 61%. Probably a top is going to become a bottom. Then it's most likely going to end up continuing the uptrend. But for me, if it goes up and breaks structure at any Fibonacci level, I'm going to say that's the end of a correction. Even if it does go down more like I originally sold like this and then break structure, that's going to be an end of a correction for me and an entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, until we get a significant break of structure like I was explaining on the 4 hour, I am definitely very bearish. I'm looking for a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, which it definitely could happen at this 50%. If it goes up and breaks to the upside, I would definitely be a long. I would start looking for longs at that point. But I do think there is a chance it may go down to the 61.8, and this actually may be an A. There's probably a wave B in here, and then it's a wave C, and then it ends up continuing the uptrend from there. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.